Okie dokie.
What's up? It's Kat and Dev, two market girls. Today we are two cookie girls.
It's like, I don't know what you're saying.
Oh.
We're making cookies.
But like a test kitchen for cookies.
We haven't done like a test kitchen-y video in a while. And 'tis the season of candy and chocolate.
Yeah.
And lots of leftover candy and chocolate.
Like those little scraps. What do you do?
So we're gonna get a bunch of common Halloween candies and chocolates, make some cookie dough, and just come up with our random assortment of Halloween candy chocolate cookies.
What's it gonna be?
I think it'll be fun.
It's gonna be a bunch of randomness.
So I think what I'm gonna try and actually get at least one of the recipes on the blog, or some kind of thing of like, this is the cookie dough, then add a mixture of like 2 cups of whatever things.
Got it.
So something will hopefully be on the blog for you guys around the time of this video, so you can actually make the cookies. But if not, we're just using our chocolate chunk cookie dough.
And swapping out the chunks for other stuff.
For other chunks.
For other chunks. Yikes.
So we'll make the cookie dough first, and then we can walk through the stuff that we bought.
Yeah.
Cool.
Some assembly required.
Cookie dough time. Took out the butter.
Oh, good. Oh, it's perfect.
Here.
Okay, we need a bowl.
Yes. Okay, so I'll double this. Should get us about, how many cookies do you want to make? This gets us about 8 normal sized cookies.
Okay. So we could always make them smaller if we want more.
Yeah. So just a batch of this then?
I feel like that's probably fine.
Yeah, and this is just a test anyways.
Yeah.
8 total cookies is fine.
Yeah. I don't know how many cookies we want to fudge up.
Is this recording?
Yes.
We're using our small batch chocolate chunk cookie dough recipe.
Oh, the butter is melted.
Oh, I melted the butter. I forgot I have so many different cookie dough recipes. I forget which is which. You got brown sugar first. You need 150 grams.
Whoa, okay. Here we go. Oh, missed a little bit.
Does this get you in the fall mood, baking?
So much.
This video comes out in end of October. I think it's like the second last week of October, and it is currently second last week of August.
So, you know. Oh, wow.
Perfect.
I did that. Butter. Wow. Got the dough.
We've made our doughs, and we have a bunch of treats to choose from. We tried to pick things that were commonly given away at Halloween for most people. So it doesn't necessarily, like, I know vegan treats are
Different.
slim pickings at Halloween. And chocolate isn't a common one for vegans, unfortunately. But
all we have is chocolate.
Yeah. I have gummies, but I just don't think I'm going to be putting gummies in cookies.
That's not gonna work out.
No.
I've never seen a cookie with gummies in it.
Yeah. And no. I mean, yes, but I've never wanted to eat it.
Okay.
And I'm also secretly hoping Kit Kat just does mini bars.
Oh.
Wouldn't that be so nice for Halloween?
Yeah, that would be pretty perfect.
Okay, but we got like the common types of chocolate that are typically given out at Halloween. We have like peanut butter cups. Peanut butter cups. We've got Jesus Christ.
The no-nos, which are like Smarties or...
Smarties or M&Ms
Yeah.
for our American followers.
Yeah, I was like, wait, what are they called in the States?
Yeah, we have M&Ms here too. We just also have Smarties. And then I got a twofer, which I think is like a Twix.
Yeah.
I think that's what it's supposed to be like. And a Joker's, which I think is supposed to be like a Mars bar, which I don't know. Is that Canadian? Or is Mars in the States?
I don't know.
Because I know there's a lot of chocolate bars that don't cross
like
borders.
Coffee Crisp?
Yeah. I did not get anything for a Coffee Crisp.
That's not vegan.
And then we have little, mini chocolate chip cookies.
Cookie in a cookie.
Which I actually feel like I gave these out at Halloween too.
Yeah.
They're fun. We have these chocolate covered like coconut bars, which I don't think is like a hugely common thing at Halloween, but mini bars that are both vegan and non-vegan exist, so.
Yeah.
And then last, chips, which classic
It'll be
Halloween
very
thing.
good.
That's my favorite thing to get at Halloween.
Yeah.
Is chips.
Yeah.
And then, not given away at Halloween, but I have marshmallows, so I threw that into the mix too. And a Kit Kat. Cool. Do you know what kind of vibe you want to go for? I'm trying to decide what I want to do.
I think I want one that has these, but I don't know if I want something else with these, because like these alone would just be so good.
I know.
But then I want to do the chips with like a chocolate bar, like Kit Kat or that. I just feel like it might be really intense.
I think it could be fun though.
Yeah. That's all I
Oh my
got.
God. I'm really intrigued by putting peanut butter cups in one, so I think I'm
Do
gonna,
it.
well, at least one of my additions is gonna be peanut butter
Do
cups.
it.
I'm also intrigued by these because, like, I just,
No.
you know, like an M&M cookie.
I
or a
know, I
Smarties
want
cookie, and like, we've just never, maybe we'll just have to make these separately as a recipe and just put those in cookies. But I feel like I'm gonna do this, and wait, which, you're gonna do Kit Kat or one of these?
Yeah.
What do I want to do with peanut butter cups? What's in a Twix? This is caramel, cookie topped with caramel and a chocolatey coating. Peanuts, caramel, and nougat in chocolate, and then obviously the wafer. So peanuts, maybe these two could be good, because then it's like a peanut chocolate vibe.
Yeah.
So I think I'm gonna go the Mars Bar Joker's route with a peanut butter cup.
Okay, I'm gonna go Kit Kat and chips.
Oh, delicious.
The crunch.
Oh, okay. Are we good on one cutting board, do you think?
Honestly, I was just gonna use one.
Oh,
Like,
break
I
it up.
should
Actually-
use my hand. Should I use my hand?
Why not?
Just
I mean,
a
Kit
Kit
Kats I
Kat.
think could, yeah. And chips definitely could be broken up by hand. I think I kind of have to cut them. Oh, these are individually
Let's
wrapped.
see. Oh, that's a good sub, right?
Yeah, I think
Like a
so.
chunk. That's
Yeah,
like
it's
a
like a chocolate
chocolate
chunk. I don't know how many to put in, but have you ever had the unreal ones? Because I haven't.
I don't remember. Maybe not.
They look weird on the inside.
Ah! Oh yeah, actually, I feel like these ones are these ones like that too, where it looks like space peanut butter.
I don't know. I haven't had them in so long. Maybe I open a pack and see which ones I like better.
That's weird.
They don't taste bad, but they're just like
weird.
it's throwing off the vibes a little bit.
You want the gooey peanut butter?
Yeah, peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Let's see. These ones look nicer.
Yeah.
I don't know if they are nicer, but I'm gonna use these ones, I think.
Okay.
The Justins.
Okay.
All right, how many peanut butter cups do you think I should cut into this? 2?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I was trying to see what size you're cutting them. Yeah. And I'm gonna like top some on mine because it's really hard to get this evenly distributed.
Yeah.
Does that look nice?
Oh my god, it looks delicious.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so peanut butter cups and a Joker's bar. This is gonna have so much chocolate and I'm so happy.
Oh yeah.
This is like the one thing that makes me sad about there not being a lot of vegan Halloween chocolates. Is like I want to be able to do things like this.
Yeah.
Where you just kind of throw in treats that you have. But it's really hard for people to do that because
There's just so few options.
there's really just not a lot.
But you know, that could change.
I hope it does.
Eventually they'll stop making all the beef products and be like, hey, wait a second. Candy? I only got 6 cookies.
That's okay.
Oh wait, it was supposed to make 8 total.
Yeah, I was supposed to make 4 on your side, yeah. Well, yeah, because it was supposed to make 4 jumbo cookies.
Right, okay.
And then like 8 smaller cookies.
Oh, okay. So you can use the scoop when you're ready. Like, do you think I should stick?
Are you gonna top things on it?
I think I
if you
should,
want.
right?
I that's usually my go-to.
I know, you never don't top it
Yeah.
with something, so I feel like I'd be wrong. I'd be like,
The TMG way.
yeah, off brand. Gotta stick these chips in it. Oh, but that could stab your mouth. Ouch. Look out. Maybe they'll go soft. In the oven? No.
The chips? They'll soften a little bit, but like they'll still stay pretty crispy.
Okay.
But I mean, I put chips in cookies all the time.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
fine.
Yeah, you
I only got
do.
I got 5.
Okay.
But I think it depends on like add-ins and stuff like
Exactly.
that, right?
I feel like I'm being Christina Tosi right now.
I mean, this whole video is giving Christina Tosi
It's
vibes.
giving. This one has so much Kit Kat in it. Oh, baby.
Not a bad thing.
Okay, I think mine are ready.
All right.
Okay, here's your have a Kit Kat chip cookie.
That's honestly great.
Whoa,
This is just
look at that
chocolate
piece of
peanut
chocolate
butter.
at the top. Dang.
I loaded them with a lot, I think. But I'm so excited.
Okay.
Happy Halloween! We didn't wear any costumes. I'm so sorry.
Oh, I'm dressed as if it's summer.
I'm dressed as if it's fall.
Okay, well you need to work on your costume.
Okay. Do you want to try yours first?
Okay.
Which one should we go with? Do a split in the
Yes.
half? I feel like we got some of each in. They look so good.
I want the Kit Kat part.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to.
I got a chip and a Kit Kat.
Oh.
Look underneath too. Sometimes they, oh, you got one side. You can pick a different one if you
No,
want.
I can do this.
All right, ready? Add Kit Kats to your cookies.
That's fun.
The wafer adds a nice little extra crunch.
It held up so well.
I honestly actually think Kit Kats could be better than just adding chocolate chunks to it because it's not just puddles of like really intense chocolate. You get wafer to break it up. Wow, this is delicious.
That was good.
That's a good cookie.
Okay. Impressed by the Kit Kats.
Yeah.
Because even on their own, they're like fine. Wow.
But in a cookie, wow.
Okay. That is amazing. The pieces of the chocolate bar just like.
Yeah. Looks like a lot of the caramels like spread out. All right, where does it make sense to split this one?
I don't even know.
I want to see if we can get a pull.
Whoa! Whoa!
Should we have
Okay.
taken a photo of that?
Whoops.
All right, this has Mars and peanut butter cups.
Oh, I forgot about the peanut butter.
It's hard
Oh my
to tell
God.
which is which. All right. It's so intense.
It is very intense.
It's really good, but it's so intense.
It feels like I'm eating a chocolate bar with like a cookie under it, which I am. I know.
I really like it. It's so much more intense than the Kit Kat one. Like this, you have to be in a very like indulgent mood.
It reminds me of an O. Henry.
A little bit. That does give O. Henry vibes. Honestly, they're both delicious.
Yeah.
Just two different moods. This, honestly, is lighter than I thought it would be.
Same.
The Kit Kat one
The double chocolate bar one,
is intense.
but also so good. I just like need one bite per hour.
It really does taste like something you'd serve at a Halloween party. Like it tastes a bit more candy forward
Yes.
than the Kit Kat one does because there's also the caramel in it. So it gives that Halloween party vibe.
Yep.
This is just a really good cookie. So you should eat all the time.
Wow.
Honestly, make them both.
Yeah.
I'll try and get both of them on the blog. They're delicious.
See what chocolates and things you can find at your grocery stores or specialty stores that are vegan,
Yeah.
and try having some fun with your cookies.
Yeah. And honestly, like, yeah, it's gonna be more expensive than just adding chocolate chips or like chopped chocolate to it. But like every once in a while, buy a Kit Kat bar, throw it into your cookies instead of chocolate. Potato chips are cheap if you get their cheap ones. And honestly, it's not really that big of a difference in terms of cost.
It makes me feel like the Kit Kat bar goes further because I only use 3 pieces of the Kit Kat bar.
Right?
And I'm like, I have so much Kit Kat here.
I used 2 peanut butter cups and about half of the like Mars bar.
Yeah. I mean, it feels like you're getting so much more out of them.
Yeah. I honestly would rather eat one of these cookies than just a Kit Kat bar or just, like, depending on the mood, obviously.
Yeah.
But like, if I have a Kit Kat bar, I'd probably be more likely to add it to cookies now than I would just to eat the Kit Kat.
This is just like cookie math. It makes sense.
Yeah, you get 8 cookies of like 1.5 bars of chocolate.
Okay.
Do it.
Okay, in the comments, tell us what you would put in your cookies.
Yeah, what's those typical Halloween candies or chocolate bars or things you'd like to throw in there?
And yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and enjoy your cookies.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.